I heard both right answers. I heard the LLC and the manager. They're going to sue both. Okay? They're still going to sue Bob, by the way. This is one of the overselling, this is one of the little dirty secrets that maybe you haven't been told about LLCs and why they have been oversold. And so you know what I'll tell people to do? You won't believe this. I'll tell them, if you're going to do that and you're going to put them into an LLC, then you need to contact your insurance company. And you need to tell them what you're going to do. And you need to see if you're still covered. Or does this flip to by doing this, would it flip it to a commercial policy? And you've got to decide how much more per year, it shouldn't be a lot, $50, $100 a year, will it cost in insurance if you do this? If they're not willing to pay that extra money, well, first of all, sometimes they'll let you, some of the bigger companies, Allstate, Farmers, I believe, they'll let them put it into an LLC and still keep them covered. Okay? That's the good news. But if they don't, and it's a commercial policy, and they're not willing to find a new carrier, and they're not willing to get new commercial insurance, I tell them, don't do the LLC. Don't do the LLC. Because their primary defense against the lawsuit was never the LLC. It was always insurance. It was always insurance. Okay? And so, and then, what do we do about the fact that he got sued as well? So the LLC got sued, the insurance isn't covering it, and they're also suing him over here. Well, that's when he shouldn't own anything, actually. Everything he owns should be, in that asset protection trust, which we, have talked about before. Okay, so that's kind of my takeaway. The best cocktail for the investors as the last takeaway. Put it in an LLC, check with the carrier, make sure that it's covered. If it's not, get it into a commercial policy. If they're not willing to do that, then they need to go a different route. Did you follow that? That's kind of the real summary of investment, yes? Why, the taxes, all that, I didn't have time to get into it today.